Nkio kobera busa. Nkio tagerete nda yao, ngayo tagete ngende so kaisiko utale. Ngo tagete korero ugetirianda bwao. Kamurante. Naenda abana bali munarero babeira sisi milioka ebago detani. Kwaligere kwa romo muromu yole smart. Otamati ko sedeke bago gekare. Mwata bani buya mwagenda bakabosongo. Ayoka gete no monto go chikomera. Ani no monto saitani atomire ogocha kunywa manyinga. Konwa sore. So please do not have a friend as a Facebook. Okagerenga no musani kwanyora. Ayo bakanyora musani oborire to ikonyora bwango. Tai mama account no ndana bango kolige sinani. Biba wo chikonyora bali babwango lakini bakunywa manyinga. Takuna kulikira na mukuna gutumira nebinte bichafu. Nimanye tena egento gekoro ku technology. Technology ya advanced. Baka gekorete bintu binde bono biasaliria mongo ya bana baito. Parents, I want also you to take care of your responsibilities. Kero mwana koruo mwako yomo. Baka 17 years. Oyiga koru ku child. And the child igako under the parent. Ayenga ikwaira you are parenting love. Where is it? You have left your children. Omwana ga ikirikira 8 ago kwanera go kanga bana biro muntu amonene. Please take care of your children. Ekyagere karamu atigire responsibility chaino. Wano ige society yaitu is not going to have people. Tell go to twara abantu because ekaramu tari ko banachat. Aso migwe. Aengeti we mate miaka nere go chakira 13 years baka 17 abu abana na bako nyorobeire onta atamanyitinere go sobeire lakini aye parent nyago go chaka kurwani omwana oyo komoita bosali bako komoikarasi omweresa kwa robeire erizamie sore lakini mate miaka inereria kero omwana agotaka kwemanya munare lakini omoikarasi nyomba mambi na marogo omate no mbibiri na begotebanga amachiko ali musaruete igaba tabeti ngamasomi abana baino komokoboka naende kamokorara na baba tebeti nkale ngokwanira mwana as a parent. How many times in a week do you talk to your child? We have left our responsibilities. That is why abana baito togocha kourwa baitwe banyenyane no nyambarabwa because they do not know the value of life. Ora nyore ba nyomire ko se ba nyomete. They are fighting each other. In their homes there is no peace. People are fighting up to an extent you go kill each other. Abantu bakonyenya na borongeiga munabono say na around 2 months ago abantu mbanyenywa bakonyenywa nande batoka para barutirentera nande bagotwako chikori banyana nabakungu egente kegekoro kungo konyenya bakungu okonyenya omwana nyaruka kiabeire egento kiato chandire Kenya paka bono niko gekoro kwe crisis in Kenya that women have woken up. We can't watch how our young girls and our young mothers are being butchered. I say go, we want to know. Muna toko na goeta iga na ende na sinergatia. Tutagete ku understand. Ngiako vera bantu bako itan. Ngiako vera bantu bako nyenyana. Abasacha ba minto. Abagaka ba minto. Bali nyanjete. Abangina ba minto. Mumanyete inuni numara bakom. Yani ni tamu so muna nyasa to tongete. Ekiagera. Onya tumanyete. Nonye mwalia, onse kwanja kobumuya. Ayebwe kai muna twa etikuru cheito ngantu no korekeya abasacha babe igoro. Nonye na bantu balia agusinye sako liago chaka achako goita. Lakini abande mbara bago tegigwa. Inkia baka mokoboria bakungu. Abakungu pipirie ko barokanga onde bwezi onyoriro mokungu onyorire gente kijana. Omakungu tali gente kijana korokwa. Bana no ite gente kijana. Ayego kunywa mokungu wakagera niko kwareta egento gota korwani na ndo chuate na ndo kore mnu tagete. omokungu igakorokwa a good thing. You can't kill a good thing. That means you are the worst man that we have now on earth. In fact, tuacha gukura na kolera. I'm sorry, tinkomanya media. Ekara ekara tuacha kurwale bakungu bale gukura para gocha. They were campaigning inga bakungu baito abana banyaruka baito baitiru mono. Ogo itu okwo, we want to understand why. Asengencho men, young men or old men do not want to work hard so that they can provide for them. Omokungu wago chiko sabalele ko kwande tote na nyoliro omwana oyo ganere ngoli atagete kwama ko mwaka ataga omokungu atago nkwanira gocha genda nayo mnogokora obasacha ba ekara batonge tu ngana bute iguri be providers of the homes. Nin mogo provide elinda bangina barenda abana balia after you have provided. Lakini bahati yengiya nanda bakungu baochokire rero ngo babwate sibale na bubago chimogondo na bubago kolega asiye nyinka ali baka mwanyora endagira mokoli nkire na moko babori gaki kago ike university gwakaga no mwana gwatomete gakoira na gocha igako bwato masogoto enyaruka no momura all of them abanke bono batire baka bago ikamba kwemanya guchikogenda graduation konya kuna kukungaina wachi koligererie list korugoro bakanse omwana oyi wachi komoriyo ri miesimi igagotebe tinga graduation nae kare yaito kogenda oro komorora kwanyora mwana taiyo. So tigango mune community mune society we want to know where did the rain start beating us. Ega kogera abantu be miake ya igoro ya abando cha inugo chimole negesio mwa igete gosukia abana. Lakini abaiboli abake, by the way, if we can't go to the drawing board, we are going to lose the societies. We will lose our children. Abantu bakagetenga akaro montago itwa na lyoko moirani. Na nda abana bali bakandi go abakaba muri bali batale go itwe school baro bamanyire nga njeri baganko mwake biranya igonko manyenya akwe ekyara ngo cyara gonsoera. So please, today we have come here itibo ward kubasorena kamoko genda sebinyoro. Talk to our people, talk to our children, talk to the mothers who are not here. Bantu bane batakera taitu anstwara go ikakira moto nabwo atamangana yaro chikokora na basoroire mubakwanere mubatebinge amatuka yeto bwata 15 tokonya koralia igoro ya gender based violence. It's not only women bago call gender based violence, even men, even young boys. Berosa kogenda muna arikikuyu aba murabaro mbamanyeti barabu bakorara nyaro dibaga basaje bakorara getandara bakungu ebako swanyaro bararo bono gali batiri women rep nato iro agachi gototebinga oise kuri abana bari gutakere emyaka 0 bake emyaka 8 9 bana mbayo asengencha basaja ebachiete bakagenda kurara nyaro inare mere munyasa abatere tibakore na nyara abakuraro asengencho banyure tinyasore mbamanye tiri bakurara gitanda urara nyaro. Please, that one is coming. It is coming to our community if we are not serious. If we cannot go back. Tochake kusabanya sai, tota ebe tuaberwe bebyaito, na endo tochake kukwanira abantu baito seriously. So, igonko bare terande abangina babe